Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Workday app. So this app is commonly used by companies and employees to manage work-related tasks, track time, and access workplace information all in one place. So to get started, download and install the Workday app from the Google Play Store or App Store. And once the installation is complete, open the app and you'll arrive at the welcome screen. So from here, tap the login button. And before you can sign in, you'll need your organization ID, which is provided by your employer. And if you have a QR code from your company, tap the QR code icon and scan it. You can also enter the organization ID manually if you already have it. If you don't know your organization ID, tap the option that says Find Your Organization ID. You can locate it by signing in to Workday on a web browser, opening your profile settings, and check your account information. So another option here is to ask a coworker who already uses Workday, since they may be able to help you find it. And if you are unable to locate the ID, contact your company's HR or IT department for assistance. You can also use the report issue option in the app if you need additional support. So once you have your organization ID, sign in with your company account, and after logging in, you can access the features available through your organization. Depending on your company setup, Workday may allow you to check your work schedule, track your work hours, review attendance records, manage projects, work with team members, and access other company tools. That's all there is to it. That's how you use the Workday app and get started with its main features. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.